sugar across all farms everywhere, like that was the thing to do, then that market got way saturated, right? Because then it was like, say hello, they love attention. The tiny, tiny ones, those ones are about a month and a half old. Those ones are Kuni Kuni. These two tiny, tiny ones by the fence, they're actually like a month old. They're so small and they're very cute. And we are taking name suggestions. Yeah, so that magical wool that we said cools you in the summer and it warms you. That wool versus llamas are bred for like more like pack mule vibes, like they like to work, and that's why llamas are a little bit more. Do add a male into the mix, surprise, it actually makes it a little bit more of a hostile environment for alpacas. They get a little bit more aggressive, and we just want to make sure that they're chill and they any apples to our donkeys. Donkeys actually cannot process any excess sugar. They are prone to diabetes. They're a little bit bloated. So yeah, we're only going to be feeding the apples to the reindeer. Yeah, so that big guy with those Christmas from Mr. Holly.
Here we go.
You might see that their fur right now is a little bit patchy. That's because they are shedding for the summer. It is that like thicker winter coat. Just to talk about their antlers a little bit because they are so magnificent. These antlers are fuzzy right now. That is that velveteen. That velveteen actually
Feed the baby.
Yeah, he's looking at you.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Go. Just give it. Come on.
It's too small.
Just put it on your palm.
Girl, do it. Yeah. We post every time that we need like any more hands constantly.
It's too small.
Okay.
We put the website like super up to date every single day. Yeah, keep an eye for sure. Alrighty, you guys, in just a few minutes. So
No.
So coming up here on the right, you guys will have a view of our horse stables. So we have one horse kind of hanging out right outside the horse stables. That is you, Holly. Herd our cows. And then we have our matriarch, that white and brown horse. She is Karma. And then the two dark brown ones are North and West, and they are a mother-daughter duo.
What kind of cows?
What?
What kind of cows are those?
Those are yaks.
Yucks.
Yaks. Not a lot of differences between the males and the females, so it is pretty hard to tell them apart besides those really big bulls like Junior over there. But both males and females do grow horns. So if you guys did just see that on the right side, that is because there is a bit of a hierarchy system with Highland cows based on the size of their horns. So the bigger horns you have, the more in charge and kind of dominant you are among. That's Pepper. She is very...
Even Oliver didn't want to come up. Oliver's like, no, thank you.
Oliver loves treats, but...
I was trying to get Max. Max was thinking about it, but he's like, no. And Crystal said no, thank you either. So. Oh. But I was like,
There's poop stuck on his tail. You want to say hi to this one? Hi. He wants to say hi.
Oh, okay. We can say hi to this one.
Save my phone.